Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you gemstone setting in this silver ring. So let's start the video. So here is the gemstone as you can see. So the process is very simple. I am using a very basic gemstone setting technique here. So we'll have to be very careful with this gemstone as it can crack up very easily. So please be very careful. So here it is. The process is complete. So that's it in today's video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.